Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon all my dear students. Today in accountancy we are going to see something special. I mean to see share capital we are having right now. We are watching from last many days. But this is one question in front of you in which three topics are included. Now which three topics are there? One is share issued and premium that we have already seen. Share issued at premium. Second thing we are going to see or we will see in this question is that calls in arrears. This also we have seen. Calls in arrears. It means somebody is not paying the money on particular step or particular stage. And one more important thing, additional or extra or excess applications received. So in this question, three topics are there, 3 points I have covered or I tried to cover. One is excess applications that we have received. Excess means more applications. Suppose you have issued 10,000 shares and you got 15,000 applications, so 5,000 extra. You have issued 20,000 shares and you got 25,000 applications, 30,000 applications, so means extra. So in that case, what we have to do? Second is premium. Premium means that suppose if the face value is rupees 10 and you issued the share at rupees 15 or 20 or 25, one share, then extra amount which you call from the people, from shareholders, is known as premium. And calls in arrears means that suppose application, allotment and calls are there. Any shareholder which gives the money on application but may not give the money on allotment or may not give the money on calls. So that amount which we have not received is known as calls in arrears. So in this question all three topics are there. So let's see the question first. Let's discuss the question first. The question is there in front of you. If I say the question, if I read the question, it's like this. Star Limited issued 60,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 60,000 shares of rupees 10 each. At 5 rupees premium. So if suppose 10 rupees face value is there, 5 rupees premium is there, so total value will be 15 rupees. Total 50 rupees will be there. So 5 rupees premium. The amount was called up as under. On application 5 rupees 50 paisa, in that 2 rupees premium is there. So 5 rupees 50 paisa in that 2 rupees premium. So the face value is 3 rupees 50 paisa. Because 2 rupees premium, so 3 plus 2, 5. 5 rupees 50 paisa will be there. On allotment, 4 rupees 50 paisa is there, 4.50. So in that 1 rupee premium is there, so it means face value is 4.5. In that 1 rupee premium is included. So it means if you remove the premium, the face value will be 3.50 or 3 rupees 50 paisa. Then here on final call, only one call is there, that is known as final call. In that 5 rupees total is given. Now 5 rupees in that 2 rupees premium is there. It is given there including 2 rupees premium. So 5 minus 2. So eventually 3 rupees face value is there. Now company have received 1 lakh application. Remember students, we have issued 60,000 shares and we got 1 lakh applications. So it means 40,000 extra applications we have received. 40,000 extra application we have received from the market. It means it's a very good response for the company. Company's reputation is very good. Now question is, what to do with these 40,000 applications extra? So shareholder, this chapter will have two options. One is that these 40,000 extra application which we have received, give back to the people. It means refund or return. We are not going to take extra shares. So we'll give it back to the people. It means only 60,000 shares we will keep, amount we will keep, and remaining 40,000 which we got extra will refund to the people, will refund to those people who applied for the shares. So one option is refund. Second option is pro rata allotment. Now pro rata allotment means what? It's allotment in proportion. So for example, if somebody is asking for 5 shares, we'll give them 3 shares. If somebody is asking for 10 shares, we may give them 6 shares or 7 shares. So what I need to say, by pro rata allotment, you give the shares to all the people and here all will be satisfied. Company's reputation will also be maintained. But in this question, we are going to see that the amount will be refunded. Pro rata we will see later on. Right now we will refund the money for 40,000 extra applications. Now see here students, company received 1 lakh applications, excess applications were rejected. That means we have not accepted those amount or that amount on shares. So we have rejected and the money thereon refunded. Now refunded means जो पैसे एक्स्ट्रा हमें मिले हैं वो वापस कर दिए. Refund means वापस करना. Raj having 800 shares did not pay allotment and calls money. एक राज शेयर होल्डर था, he is having the 800 shares. उसने एप्लीकेशन पे तो पैसे दिए हैं, वो तो सब देने वाले हैं. उसके बाद अलॉटमेंट और कॉल्स पे उसने पैसे नहीं दिए. It means it's a calls in arrears. Other than that, the amount due on all the shares were received. बाकी शेयर पे पूरे पैसे हमें मिल गए हैं. Now you have to write the journal entries. So we are going to write the journal entries now. Just see here, please. Now, students, first entry of application bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. 5 rupees 50 paisa into share. How many applications you have received? 1 lakh. So it should be multiplied by 1 lakh into 5 rupees 50 paisa. It is 5 lakh 50,000. Narration is as common as we have done in last few sums. Now second entry, journal entry. Share application account debit to share capital account और यहाँ पे प्रीमियम भी है एप्लीकेशन पे. सो टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट एंड जो पैसे हमें यहाँ एक्स्ट्रा मिले हैं 40,000 एक्स्ट्रा जो पैसे मिले हैं शेयर्स पे वो रिटर्न करने पड़ेंगे. सो टू बैंक अकाउंट, ये एक्स्ट्रा है बैंक अकाउंट. नाउ एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट, यहाँ एप्लीकेशन पे 550 है, सो आई विल राइट 550 हियर. उसमें 40,000 एक्स्ट्रा शेयर आपको मिले वो वापस कर देंगे. तो 40,000 इंटू 5.50, 5 रुपीज 50 पैसा. सो 2,20,000 इन द बैंक. चलो अब आपके पास 1 लाख में से 40,000 तो आपने वापस कर दिए शेयर के पैसे. सो अब बचे कितने शेयर? 60,000. 60,000 इंटू प्रीमियम देखिए 2 रुपीज. सो 60,000 इंटू 2, 1,20,000 इन द प्रीमियम. अब आप देखिए 550 में से ये दोनों का टोटल होता है 340. सो इट विल बी 210 हियर, 2,10,000. ओके. नाउ एंट्री नंबर 3, शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट. यहां भी प्रीमियम है, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट. ओके. नाउ शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट. शेयर अलॉटमेंट 4 रुपीज 50 पैसा है. 4 रुपीज 50 पैसा इंटू 60,000 शेयर्स. 1 लाख नहीं है, 40,000 तो वापस कर दिए. सो 60,000 इंटू 4 रुपीज 50 पैसा, 4.50 इंटू 60,000. सो इट इज 2,70,000. Now security premium 1 rupee है, 60,000 into 1 rupee, so it will be 60,000 premium. So here it will be 2,10,000. Entry number 4, second entry of the allotment, bank account debit. Calls in arrears account debit. यहाँ पे एक है राज जो आपको अलॉटमेंट में पैसे नहीं दे रहा है, उसको हम बोल रहे हैं कॉल्स इन एरियर्स. सो कॉल्स इन एरियर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 2 share allotment account. अलॉटमेंट में क्रेडिट में थर्ड में जो डेबिट है वही आएगा 270, so it will be 270. राज के पास कितने शेयर है? राज इज हैविंग 800 शेयर्स, सो 800 शेयर पे वो पैसे नहीं दे रहा है. अलॉटमेंट 4 रुपीज 50 पैसा, 4 रुपीज 50 पैसा इंटू 800, 3600 will be there. So here it will be 2,66,400. 2,66,400. Entry number 5. Share final call account debit. To share capital account and to security premium account. Final call total 5 rupees there, 5 rupees into 60,000, 3 lakhs will be there. In that 3 lakh 2 rupees premium is there, so 60,000 into 2, 120 will be there. 3 lakhs and 120, so here it will be 1,80,000. So total 3 lakhs will be there. Last entry number 6, bank account debit. Calls in arrears account debit. To share final call account. फाइनल कॉल पे यहां पे जो है फिफ्थ एंट्री में वही आएगा 3 lakhs. Calls in arrears 800 शेयर्स पे राज नहीं दे रहा है, 800 into 5, 4,000 will be there. So here 2,96,000 will be there. So here is the whole question in front of you and here is the answer in front of you. 6 entries are there. So this sum is having extra amount also, excess applications I mean to say, security premium is also there as well as calls in arrears also there. I hope you got the things clear. Okay, now next time we are going to see little bit more further in this. I need to say that we are going to see forfeiture of the shares. Thank you very much.